Hello, you are welcome to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 7. This is revised edition. And in this video, we want to learn how to find discount. This is part of the series of finding percentage of a quantity as a rate per 100. The previous one, we did the commission. And I told you that we are going to look at discount as well. Now, what is discount? It simply means reduction in price of a product. Reduction in price of a product. Sometimes you see these symbols on dresses or items at the supermarket that up to 20% off, sales discount. All they are trying to tell you is that if you see such situation, such label, it means that whatever they are selling, they can reduce it by an amount of money or by percentage. All right. So that is all about discount. Now, let's say, for example, I have a phone and I'm selling the phone at 500 cedis. Okay. And at a point, the phone has been with me for some time. I feel like reducing the price and then sell it off. So I will just put an advert and say, okay, anybody who buy a phone from me will take a discount of 80 Ghana cedis. And so if the price of the phone is 500, that means that you enjoy 80 cedis and pay 420 Ghana cedis for the phone. Now, this figure that I'm giving to you as a reduction is called discount or discount amount. This is the original price, which we normally call the marked price or the catalog price or a price that is exactly 100%. This is the selling price, the price at which you are buying from me after the discount. In some cases, I will tell you that the discount, I won't give it to you in amount this way, but I'll tell you if you buy any product from me worth 500, like phone, I will give you 10% discount. In that case, you have to calculate the 10% discount of the amount to know how much you will enjoy free, right? And so that is how we calculate discount. So if it's given to you in percentage, they will take the percent over 100 times the original price. This original price can be called mark price, like I said, or catalog price, or exactly 100%. Now let's take an example and see how it works. The mark price of a washing machine is 1,250 Ghana cedis. However, a cash sale is allowed for 10% discount. So if a man pays the cash for the machine, how much discount did he enjoy? Okay, so as they say they are giving you 10% discount, they are going to do 10% times the original price, which is 1,250. So upon simple calculations, I have my answer to be 125. What it means is that I'm going to get free 125 for buying the washing machine. Okay, now the question also says that find the selling price after the discount. So if the price was 1,250 and you are taking off 125 from it, then how much will I pay? I'm going to get 1,125. So this is the amount I'm supposed to pay for the washing machine after receiving a discount of 10%, which worth 125 Ghana cedis of the original price. I hope it makes sense. Let's take another example and see. Amina paid 240 Ghana cedis for a dress after 12% discount. Find the actual price of the dress before the discount. Okay, now we know that actual price is always marked as 100%. And so if you give me a discount, then it means I'm going to pay 88%. So I can say that, okay, 88% is equivalent to the amount that I'm supposed to pay, and then the 100% is equivalent to the original price. So let us assume that original price is y or x. Well, let me use y. Then I can say that, okay, 88 is to 100 in percentage, which would be equal to 240 also is to y. The reason is that the 88 is the amount I'm supposed to pay in terms of percentage, and 240 is the amount I paid in monetary form. and so they must be in that equivalent form. So I can do simple calculation. No, ratio means division. We said it earlier, and this is 240 also divided by y. Now, if I do cross multiplication, I can say 88 is to y, 88y times 240 times 100. All right. So if I divide both sides by 88, I have 240 times 100 divided by 88. So you can do a simple calculation by doing cancellation. And when you do that very well, your answer will turn as 272, okay, 0.72. Okay, that means the original price was 272 cedis, 72 pesos, and the person paid 240. That means he has received some amount of discount free of charge, right? This question can be solved alternatively by using a formula, okay? And the formula can be original price, which we don't know, is equal to 100 over 100 minus the discounted percentage, and then the new price that has been paid for. And so the original price will be equals to 100 over 100 minus x, and the x represents the 12%, okay, times the new price, which is 240. And here the percent is just the original, the actual figure of 12. But you don't say over 100 again, because the over 100 is what is taken care of over here, and then that of this one as well. And so once again, if you do simple calculation, you're going to have 100 times 240 divided by 88, and it will be the same as we did earlier. All right, let's look at the last question. Dede paid 765 for a dress. The marked price of the dress was 850. How much, or the amount, Dede enjoyed as discount? Yes, so once the price was 850 and she paid 765, then she's going to enjoy 850 minus 765, which is 85 cedis. That's the amount he's going to enjoy. And then if you want to find the percentage of this amount, it becomes 85 divided by the original price of the product times 100. Of course, we can do this and that. 85 will divide this, then we have 10%. That means she was given 10% discount, and that is why she had 85 Ghana cedis free to enjoy. I'm sure you've learned a lot with this video. I pray that you'll be able to solve more questions based on the concept that you've gotten. See you next time.